Push, push, push. Push right now, you stupid couch! It's this couch. Very complicated, very disappointing. So disappointing. I didn't believe that this is very complicated to push a couch. Are they yet? Yes! No! The sky is getting day! Let's send it back to night! The protest is to be in night. This is so disappointing. And now, let's go to the third floor. Now the couches are there. There are now 2 couches. It's connection time. Wait a moment. There were actually 4 couches. The other 4 couches are gone. Now it's level 3. Is this yet? Let's see. No. Let's continue. Are they yet? Yes! Level 3 cleared. And now, let's go to level 4. Which is 4th floor. I don't know if the last escalated floor is the actual last floor of escalators is 6. The other 2 couches are gone also in floor 4. I didn't actually know. And now is the level 4 time. Are they yet? Yes! Level 4 cleared. And now, let's go to level 5, which is also known as floor 5. Floor 5 is the last floor of the escalators. Let's go up to level 5. Which is 5th. So disappointing. And now, let's do level 5, which is the final level. Are they yet? Nope. Let's try again. Yes, they are. Level 6 cleared. I won a coin. And now, let's get back to the lifts. What lift should I ride? The lifts from basement to floor 15. Or the bed lift. Well, I decided to ride the lifts from basement to floor 15. Hey, the couches are now. Hey! The couches just went to the car park. 3 couches in the car park? It's very kind of weird. The couches are not in car parks. You need to agree with me. Couches are not in car parks. Let's get back up. I hope this guy is not getting die. I want to have the protest tonight. Well, it is great to still have the sky night. I hope the protest. And now into Enough Passion Building and into Beliefs there. There are some very nice OT Series 1. But the couches are also like that. Hey, the only 2 couches left. This is so disappointing. 5 couches at the Child's Hospital today. And now, let's run the small lifts. I hope also that didn't happen in 6. At least in 6th floor didn't happen any. Oh well, there's only a couch there. And now, this is the children's clinic, I think. This is the examination rooms, and there is a couch that I can push into a lift. Okay, so let's try again with this couch. Well, I have to push the dash button. I want this couch to move. So disappointing. The couch is not moving. Well, but I cannot keep a big couch into a lift. Oh well, this is very bad. And I didn't know what's wrong with the couches. And now to the freight lifts. Let's run them. I'm very excited at the end of the tour that the protest of Boris Johnson burning is going to start soon. So we will go to the final building. I'm very excited. And now into this building which I did not know about. And now into that building that I did not know about, and into the main lifts, which are very nice OT Series 1. Let's run them! Yeah, you're very excited. Well, the test is not real. It's just a fake protest that I want to expire with a Lewisham shopping centre. It's lift for time being. What is this button?
Please enter. 请准. Please enter. Please enter. 请准.
Hehe.
Please enter. 请准.
This is the 6th floor, which is a very nice. Oh, and it has a very nice placenta lighting. This is so awesome. I never suspected this to happen. Oh, in this camera I now have to go to the bathroom. Let's go to the boys' bathroom. There is the toilet. This toilet is vacant. And now we go back to my lives. Let's press the fire alarm. Let's do it.
Please enter. 请准.
It's a very kind of weird sound. Now into the lift.